Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Kaireen from secondary of S.S. Mota Singh School, Pachim Vihar. Today, with my small hands, I'll show you a science-based experiment at home. In my experiment, I'll make the sprinkles dance without touching them. For which we need a bowl, some sprinkles, a scissor, and a clean sheet. Let's start the experiment. First, place the clean sheet on the bowl. The clean sheet should be properly stretched on the surface of the bowl. I have one ready. Now press a little at center of the bowl and put some sprinkles. Rub it all over. Now when I try to talk directly into the clean sheet, you will see that the vibration of my voice make the sprinkles dance around by themselves. If you think my breath is moving, then move. Look what happened when I'm humming. Now you see when I humming, not breathing, then also the sprinkles dancing. So with this simple experiment, we can show that sound can vibrate objects. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.